Good evening. My name is Ricardo, and this is day 4 of the Novel Allies video project. This is like my third time recording this, but let's hope it goes okay this time. So, yeah, as you can see, I'm in a new room. I've tried looking around for something that has some nice accessories, so I got this whiteboard, and it's pretty cool. I can write down anything I may need to write down. I have some markers that go along with it. They have very small tips though, so can't really write super well with that, but I'm able to do the basics with that. And I was able to write this. It took more work than with regular dry erase markers, but yeah. And so in response to your video, yes, I do say that I'm busy a lot, and I guess you're right. I guess I am just that type of person. I always tend to be busy with schoolwork. I got 2 things that are due later on tonight. I got a presentation to do and just some homework for another class. And I guess before I was pretty busy too. I don't know if I was as busy then as I am now. Yeah, I'm always pretty busy. And yeah, in addition to having friends, like some of your friends on this channel, I wouldn't really be opposed to that at all. I think it's a good idea that you're able to expand this channel as me originally being the other half, as you said. Yeah, I haven't done that. I haven't made a lot of content at all, and I think expanding it out would be pretty cool I think it'll be pretty cool to do. So yeah. One of the other thoughts that I was having was maybe recording these videos like on the weekends, and it would give me more time during the week when like everything is due for me. But at the same time, I figured that it wouldn't be like a true November video project, as I wouldn't be really responding to any of your videos. Instead, I would just be posting videos I made throughout the weekend instead. So I was thinking about that, and it sounds cool, gives me more time, but also doesn't feel like the way it should. But it was a good anyway, that's pretty much all I have. Yeah, I hope you're doing well, and take care.